Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Brianna, and if not, hey, what's up, welcome back. I have been gone for a minute now. I haven't sat down and filmed a video, and I apologize for that. I think I lost my spark for a little bit, but I think I got it back. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my everyday skincare and makeup routine. I constantly share my everyday makeup routine whenever my routine changes, and it changes quite often. So I have a bunch of those kinds of videos linked on my channel, but I've never included my skincare in that video before. And my skincare routine has changed a lot also. So I'm going to be mentioning my skincare products first, show you guys how I prep my skin, and then all of the makeup that I use to achieve this beautiful, natural, everyday look on my face right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment if you want to, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hello everybody. We're gonna jump straight into my skincare routine. Moog's sitting right next to me, so if you hear anything, that's gonna be him. So I've already cleansed my face. There's absolutely nothing on my face right now. I just cleansed it in the bathroom. I used the La Roche-Posay foaming facial cleanser. It's the one in the blue bottle. It's my absolute favorite morning moisturizer at the moment. So I'm gonna go straight into toner now, and I'm gonna be using the Versed Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution. This has been my go-to at the moment. My usual go-to is the Laneige toner, the one in the light blue bottle, but I ran out of that one and I wanted to try out this one from Versed, and I love it because of the little pump that it has. So I just take about 2 pumps on a cotton pad and I will just rub this across my face. I haven't been using this toner long enough for me to fully tell a difference in my skin, but I definitely can say that my skin has been a lot smoother. I don't know if it's because my skincare routine has changed, but I use this toner every single day, and I do notice that my skincare goes on a lot smoother, and so does my makeup. So I don't know if it's this product doing that, but I like to think that it is because it feels really nice on the skin. I'm gonna go in with my first serum, and I use the Triple Peptide plus Cactus Oasis Serum from Youth to the People. This does have hyaluronic acid in it, and just like my toner, I haven't been using this product long enough to fully know if it's doing anything for my skin, but my skin does love a good hyaluronic acid. That is what my skin looks like with just the hyaluronic acid on it. It definitely did add a lot of hydration. I really do like the way that hyaluronic acid feels on my face. I do keep my serums and my moisturizer inside of a skincare fridge, so when I put them on every single morning, they're nice and cold on my face, which definitely helps me wake up in the morning. Next, I'm going in with the Retinol plus Niacinamide Youth Serum from Youth to the People as well. Just like the first serum, I've been using them for the same amount of time, so I don't know if it's doing anything to my skin or not, but it is like this yellow color, which I was not expecting when I first used it. But I really like the way that this feels on my skin. Next is sunscreen. I do my sunscreen before my moisturizer because my moisturizer kind of locks in my sunscreen, if that makes any sense. So I've been using the Josie Maran Get Even Sun Milk with SPF 33. I love this sunscreen because it looks like a serum bottle. It comes with a pump. It's very easy. It's not messy. This product also does have a slight scent to it, but it smells very, very good. There is a familiarity in the scent of this sunscreen that I just can't pinpoint. I recognize the smell, but I can't tell you what it smells like because it doesn't come to my brain. I've been trying to crack it for weeks. It also doesn't leave a white cast. It actually leaves a pretty nice, like, healthy glow to your skin. Now for my moisturizer, this I think is being crowned my holy grail moisturizer. This is the Superfood Air Whipped Moisturizer Cream with kale, spinach, and hyaluronic acid from Youth to the People. I have been dying to try out this moisturizer for such a long time, and now that I finally have, I see the hype, it is very expensive. I definitely think it's worth the price, and this does work with all skin types, which my oily skin eats this up. My skin loves this. The first step in my makeup routine is I like to make sure I have something on my lips, whether it's a lip balm or lip oil. Right now I'm gravitating towards the Jisoo honey infused lip oil. So this is my makeup bag. It definitely looks a little chunky. The bag is from Merit Beauty, if you were wondering, but I'm not going to be using all of the products in this bag. All the products in this bag are just the ones that I gravitate towards the most. I don't reach for every single one of these whenever I do my makeup. So first things first, my base product that I have been in love with lately is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This is what the packaging looks like. This is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, which I also have in my makeup bag, but I've just been loving this e.l.f. one a lot more recently. I have mine in the shade 2, Fair Light. So I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks, my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. I'm not really putting too much product on my face because I've been loving kind of that natural skin-like base makeup lately. We are going to go into bronzer next, and I've been using the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. This is in the shade Tan Lines, and it has been my go-to bronzer at the moment. I take that with the e.l.f. Complexion Duo brush. It has a buffer side and a smaller side, which I assume is for concealer. This is definitely not made for bronzer, but I like using it for bronzer. Now I'm gonna take some concealer. I have been loving the Kosas concealer recently. I have mine in the shade 2.5C. I'm gonna take a super small dot and put it just in the corners of my eyes wherever I have darkness, and then I'm also going to conceal around my nose and on any blemishes that I want to be covered. I really do love this concealer because it gives such a skin-like natural finish to it, and I'm like looking at myself in the mirror and I can still see the naturalness of my skin popping through, but the stuff that I wanted to be covered is now covered. So I know I'm kind of jumping around a lot, but we are going to go back into bronzer, except we're going to be using powder bronzer this time. So I love the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronzit. I have mine in the lightest shade, which is 01 Light, and this is what the packaging looks like. This is one of the most natural, sun-kissed, glowy-like bronzers that I think I've ever used. If you are going to try one product from this video, I definitely want it to be this Lumi Bronzit because it is seriously the best spring/summertime bronzer. I use this all year round. I'm already hitting pan on it because I love it that much. So I definitely recommend this bronzer if you want something nice and Lumi, because this product will do it for you. Now for blush, I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite powder blushes at the moment. I'm kind of taking a break from my cream blushes. I usually use those when I'm going out somewhere or when I'm taking pictures, but for an everyday look, I've been using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, and this is in the shade Chamomile. I really don't know how to describe the formula of this blush because it feels putty-like almost. It's super soft, so you need to use a very dense brush to pick up the product, but it is so gorgeous and just gives you the most natural blushing skin ever. So that's pretty much it for the base makeup. Before I do everything else, I'm gonna set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrushed setting spray. This has been the setting spray I've been gravitating to the most lately, and I really like this. I definitely think I'm gonna go back and buy the full size. Taking my Japanese fan, I'm going to fan out my face a little bit to kind of set that setting spray, just allowing it to dry before I move on to the rest of my face. Next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna focus on the eyes a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. You can see your reflection right there, but I have seen a bunch of mixed reviews on this product and I loved it so much. This is my second time purchasing it. I just take a little bit of it on a spoolie and I kind of start from the middle of my brow and shape that first before moving to the front. This is what it looks like shaped, and this is what it looks like not shaped. Now that the brows are done, those are gonna go ahead and set. I'm gonna go in with my Tower 28 mascara. I have mine in the shade Jet Black. This is what the mascara looks like. It's my favorite mascara right now. I actually just convinced one of my friends to buy this mascara and she did, so I'm really excited to hear her opinion on it. I'm gonna just apply literally one coat of this. I only use one coat of mascara when doing my makeup. This is the difference in my eyes with mascara and without mascara. I also feel like I should mention I use an eyelash serum. I use the Lash and Brow Serum from The Ordinary. I've been using it for maybe about a month, 2 months now, and I really like that lash serum. My eyes are all nice and completed now. We literally just have to do the lips, which on an everyday basis I don't do much with. Literally all I go in with is my Dior lip glow oil. I have mine in the shade Rosewood. This is such a hot take, but like I love this. I know that there are cheaper ones because this is pretty expensive for lip oil, but it also depends on the brand that you are buying from. So of course there are going to be cheaper alternatives, but I love this. I love this. No one can change my mind. Do you see that slight color that it just brought back into my lips? My lips were looking pale and now they have like a slight pinky undertone to them, which is why I freaking love this. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get through this, but like I'm probably gonna be rebuying it honestly when I'm done. So that is it for my everyday skincare and makeup routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a minute since I posted on here and I'm so incredibly sorry for that. I was feeling so uninspired by everything, and I woke up this morning and I told myself it was going to be a great day, felt in the mood to film, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to link all of the products that I used down below, so don't forget to subscribe and definitely check the description if there's anything I used in my skincare or makeup routine that you would like to purchase for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, comment if you want to, and I will catch you guys next time.